I'm not available, please call back or leave a message.
Man, I was kidding when I said that.
Wake it up, man. Called you like 20 times, man.
What time is it?
Like 8:30.
Did an alarm for 8. It didn't go off.
Man, you're fucked, eh?
Get the shit up. Oh, Jesus.
They voted white, man.
Everyone voted white in the comments. So today we're gonna pull the wheels off. Give them a little
Fuck yeah, dude.
little paint. So first order of business.
Jesus fuck.
Man,
What?
do you mind? You dumb bitch.
Quick latte.
Do you want quick latte? Just a quick latte. Ah, fuck. Okay. Where's the 14? Thank you.
Where's dude?
Alright. Get this stupid walls out of the way. Fuck the walls, man. Okay. We gotta put some wood under this bitch. We're jacking it up. Fuck.
Man, where are we going on Sunday?
Japanese show and tell, man. Ben will be there. I can't tell if we're Ben's biggest fan. He's definitely not a fan of us. Okay, since you took the fucking wrench chair, since you took Big Red, it hurt on this camping chair.
Hell yeah, bro.
Alright. Take the fucking axle out here. Axle Hodges.
Get the khamar, dude.
Ooh.
Fuck, the back wheel's gonna be
man.
a whole different story.
Whole different ball game, brother.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so.
Fuck, man.
It's gonna be a fact.
Alright.
Nothing we can't do though, no.
Can't do anything. Alright, pull the brake off, man.
Should probably get a zip tie for the brake. I don't know how we're gonna paint the brake.
FES spec? Dude, leave the brake white. Or purple, I mean.
Dude, everything I do, Noah, is FES spec.
This whole scooter build, man?
Is FES spec.
I don't know if it's FES spec.
Why is there so many? Like, who's Ripstick? Dude, anything and everything I do is FES spec.
That'll do, don't care.
1 sec. So we don't lose this thing. Dude, we should go to jail.
What?
Alright, never mind. Boys go to jail. This is FES spec as fuck, dog. Honestly, FES would do that.
He would. He would realize, man.
If that's the way.
Okay, sand the dirt off and then give it a quick some spray action.
Yeah.
Do you have tape for the tires?
Yeah, we're gonna tape a lot of shit off, actually.
Rubber thing.
Good thing I'm the tape master. Like, around the brake.
Alright, you better get going then, man.
Okay. Alright, so step 1 of being FES spec as fac. I'm gonna give everything a good wipe.
Do you have a brake cleaner?
It's not greasy though, it's just dirty. Okay. Then you want to take your tape. Real nice like that. Dude, that one time I worked in that body shop, it's paying off, I'm telling you. Alright.
Should we check it back in when we're laying down some paint?
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, dude.
I'm the new FJ. Okay, we'll test the wind. It's real nice. Alright, look out, man. I'm gonna lay down some coats of primer, because we only do FES spec stuff. We got primer, paint, and clear coat.
That's looking real nice, man.
Are you trying to show people that you hang out with us, or what?
Oh yeah, buddy. Fuck.
Okay, we'll probably actually do some somewhat thin coats this time. Because I don't want it to look too much like fuck. Like a little bit.
Lay it down real quick, man.
Oh man, that's what we do every time. It's terrible. We'll let that dry for like 2 minutes until I'm over it, and then lay down some more coats. There we go.
Adam, what are we doing?
Alright, we got Surf Master Aska here. He's gonna show us how to put down some fiberglass.
This is gonna be pretty bad.
That's the spirit.
We expected that. If you go into it with low expectations, that's like my marks, man. I go into it think I'm gonna fail it. I pass. Whew.
Got the sheets going. Popsicle sticks, you know.
How do I open this?
You cut it, right? I think.
There's no. I thought there was gonna be a thing on the other side.
What's the ratios here?
I'm gonna put about 12 drops in. We'll eyeball it, and then you can kind of see what's going on, like whether it's gonna be enough or not.
Hell yeah, brother.
Mix it up. She's bubbling.
That's what you want?
Oh yeah, that means there's a chemical reaction going on.
Hell yeah, brother.
Oh,
You fired up, buddy?
chemical reactions. Yeah, hopefully it works.
Probably not. I mean,
Definitely not.
wait, dude, it's red underneath?
Tape it like I did.
I did.
Glass?
Laying some glass.
What's going on with that?
Soak technique.
This seems fucked.
No gloves either.
Raw dog it.
Or shoes. Fuck it.
Just gloves on the shoes. On the hands. I mean, gloves on the. Okay, fuck. Whatever. You get what I'm saying? Jesus.
Isn't that gonna like fuck your fingertips? Like,
Yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hands pretty quick.
it's looking good, man.
Yeah, it's looking real nice. What about this stuff? Is this gonna harden down here?
Yeah, I'd wipe it off.
Get the rag, man.
I'll say that beforehand. Oh, it's already hardening. You fucker. Oh, it smells so potent, man.
And you like bond over top of this, right? And then we sand it to shape. Is that how you do it?
It's all new to me, man.
Dude,
Oh, it
food
smells
is gonna be
fucking-
done in 20 minutes, man.
Dude, it smells so potent.
How long does it take to dry? Like, a day?
Depends. This might take. It'd be dry by evening.
Dude, my head feels fucked. Feel
You
down.
guys are pussies.
At least you're wearing gloves, Noah.
Wait, Adam, you gotta be on white duty, man. What are you doing?
What?
But I need more wipage.
Dude, you
Dude, that's actually looking better than I thought it would. Just gotta figure out somehow to connect this part. But that might be a second.
I think if
second
you just
job
lay
kind of
one
thing.
like down.
Mm-hmm. Alright, update, Adam. I think I've lost most of my brain cells.
Dude, I'm not computing this very.
How the
Is
hands
this
looking?
stuff safe?
I think you're fucked, man.
You're the
That's not coming
fiberglass.
off. You have to sand your hands. All those dogs.
It's a long one.
Dude, all those dogs just lost 5 years off their lifespan when they walk by the garage.
Dude, we lost at least 40 years. Aska's only got 40 years left.
I got time to spare. I'm just giving it away. We should invest in some gloves, hey?
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah, definitely. That'd be really good if it bridges just like that. Like if you push like right there so it connect.
Do you know what we could do, Adam?
It's not gonna be perfectly
I
even,
know.
but you can fix it later. Like a
After
second
it's
coat.
dry, go in from the bottom and just spray foam the whole lip or the whole.
Yeah, that would
full.
help.
Yeah.
It's looking pretty FES spec to me.
It's looking beyond FS spec. It's looking
FES doesn't have shit
A
on
yeah
us.
spec. Adam yeah spec. A yeah spec.
brother.
Yeah, and don't worry about it now because you can sand all of it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hands. That should be good for
Alright.
now.
Thanks, dude.
Let it
Thank
dry
you, sir.
for like. Dude, I bet you by the time I leave for school, it'll be pretty much almost dry.
All right. Well, Surfmaster Aska. Follow him at AFOYD on Instagram for helping us out.
Hell yeah, brother.
Maybe give him like. He probably only has like 10 followers right now. Maybe get him to 12. He'll be happy. But yeah, that's sick. Laid down some fiberglass. Pretty sure you're not supposed to get that in your hands, but he really took one for the team on that
Yeah,
one.
he's gonna go wash his hands down to the bone, man.
Dude, they were like.
How he's looking? He's primed.
I'll give it one more chooch on this side.
Looking pretty minty there, man.
I guess we can get the other side going. No, we'll do the fully prime one first.
There's just gonna be fiberglass down the seat.
Aren't brain cells the only cells in your body that don't regenerate? Alright, so fiberglass master Aska laid down the first fiberglass on this bitch.
It's looking fairly unreal.
It like I didn't think it was gonna work.
No, like.
But now I have hope. Like it looks pretty fucked. But you know. Trust the process.
Shut the fuck up, man.
Alright, brothers, trust the fucking process on this.
The process.
Jeff Gordon trusts the process. Is Jeff Gordon on the back? Is his face on the back?
Nope.
Oh, fuck. Okay.
Yeah, so this one's primered. This one's got the first color paint. Can't tell the difference, to be honest. Should have got gray primer, but it's alright.
It'll do.
Clear coat them, let them dry, throw them on.
Yeah, we'll probably throw them on the next video because let these dry overnight.
Well, I'm thinking, should we do separate videos or just one big video?
Of the whole scooter thing?
Yeah.
Dude, this is gonna be like a 2-hour video.
That'd be sick, the scooter movie, man.
No, the scooter movie. It's like the SpongeBob movie, man.
Okay, comment below if Adam should buy a white fuzzy blanket for the seat and a white carpet for the fucking deck, whatever the hell you call it. I think it'd be sick, man. It'd be fucking sick, man.
Do you think so, Noah?
Yeah, I think so, man. I think it needs it to pull it off, you know?
Do you think so, Noah?
Yeah, otherwise it's gonna be missing something, you know?
I think it's gonna be missing something. I'm getting speed, man. Also steep uphill. You're gonna have to give her the beans.
Okay, that's enough of that. How's it looking, man? Looking real nice,
it's
man.
coming together. We're gonna have to let them dry overnight and put them on like tomorrow or something. Lay down some more fiberglass. We got a decent amount done today.
Yeah, look at this, man.
Start on the wheels. Got the wheels almost done. Start on the wing. Like obviously it looks like fuck right now because we gotta do a bunch more layers of fiberglass. Sand it, Bondo it. Sand all the Bondo, blend the Bondo, paint it. Bit of a fucking process, man.
I think it'll be a show and shine, man.
Trust the process, though.
Don't ever say that again.
Sorry, I won't. And then, and now with our new handy dandy fiberglass skills, we can build the.
You build one of those, man?
I figured we could pull it off.
Hell yeah, brother.
With Aska's fiberglass skills and our knowledge of everything,
True.
we could get her done. Yeah, I think it's gonna make it. I think we're gonna make it to show and shine.
Well, you need to get carpet seat and then carpet on the deck as well. Whatever the hell you wanna call it.
Maybe.
No, you need it.
Maybe.
Every single Bozo scooter has it.
Yeah, man, like.
It would pull together so much. Comment below if you want carpet here and carpet on the seat.
Not carpet on the seat, because the carpet's too stiff, we won't be able to form it to the seat.
No, not carpet, but like a throw blanket.
Throw blanket?
So you wrap it around the seat and staple it to the bottom.
I don't know.
I
I'll spend more money on this thing. Okay, yeah, comment below. We'll go to Bed Bath & Beyond. Buy a carpet, cut it like this. We'll cut it to this shape. So it's on here. Get the throw blanket over this. And then like pull it really tight, staple it on the bottom. Comment below if you should do that or leave it as is.
Okay, outro the video.
What don't we do? What else don't we do? We don't do anything because we don't have funds. Alright, but yeah, so comment what you think about that. Bunch of videos coming. This week we're going to be pumping out videos because we're going to be working on this bitch every day because it's got to be done. There's still so much shit to do. Fucking hate this thing now. Do you hate this thing a little too?
Pretty much, yeah.
What the fuck? Why are you hating on my scooter? Moral of that story. But yeah, so stay tuned for a bunch more videos. Maybe buy a t-shirt. Noah, will you put the link in the description?
I will.
Check out the t-shirts. Buy a Marlboro air freshener because it's the sickest air freshener on the market by my calculation. And I have good calculations. Fucking put the, what's the thing that people always say? Put the bell on. I don't know what it does.
Gives you notifications.
Join the notification gang. Or gets in that. Trust the process, right now?
No.
Okay, so.
You're done, man.
But yeah, alright, see you in the next one, man.
Share.
Man, last time you're so close to my nose, you can see all my nose hairs in the video.
Like, share, subscribe, I don't know.
Yeah, like, share, subscribe. Get the fuck out of my nose hairs.